Hello. In this video, we will be going over creating a second volume using our JetStor 826iXD and mapping LUNs using a VMware ESXi 6.5 host, as well as a Microsoft Windows server with the iSCSI software initiator names for some LUN mapping. So first off, we'll need to go back to our JetStor unit and log in. The login, in case you've forgotten, defaultly is admin and 8 zeros. Once logged in, you'll want to go ahead and check that there are no existing LUN mappings if you're starting fresh. If you have an existing environment, please be sure to make note of the LUN mappings that you do need before doing anything. We're going to go ahead and click on the Pools section. Click on Create Pool. Give our pool a name. Give it a preferred controller. Select the disks that we want to use and the RAID level. Any additional disk properties, and click Finish. Once the pool is created, we can go over to Storage Management and Volumes and create a volume. Once this is all done for any volumes that you would like to create, we'll need to start the LUN mapping. To map a LUN, click on the LUN Mapping section under Storage Management, then Map LUN. Choose the volume that you would like from the list, and the allowed hosts will need the iSCSI software initiator name or your hardware initiator name from our host. To get that, we'll head to our VMware ESXi 6 host. Under the Configuration tab and Storage Adapter section, we'll find the name here. You can copy that, head back to our JetStor unit, click on Add Host, and paste that value in. Double check that it is all correct and full. Choose your target and your LUN number. Click OK. Heading back to our VMware ESXi host, we'll click on the properties of the iSCSI initiator and static discovery. We'll add each of the controller's server IP addresses and their target names, which we'll get back from our unit. Under Host Connectivity and iSCSI Ports, then under the iSCSI Targets tab, you'll find that under ID 0, the target name. Repeat for the other controller, and we'll find that under Controller 2, Target ID 0. Once it's actually copied and pasted, We can go ahead and click Close and click Yes to rescan the adapter. Once the adapter has finished rescanning, you should see your volume, in this case the 100 gigabyte one that we wanted. Now we'll move on to connecting our Windows host. Go ahead and connect to this particular Windows server. Click on the Start menu, Administrative Tools, and iSCSI Initiator. Under the Configuration tab, we will find our initiator name. We'll copy that and head back to our JetStor unit. Under Storage Management and LUN Mappings, click Map LUN. Choose the volume that you'd like to have. Click Add Host and paste in your initiator name. Choose the target and the LUN that you would like to use. Back on the Windows server, under the Discovery tab, we'll add our Discovery portal. Under the Targets tab, we'll see that we do have a target that is here. We'll click on it, click on Connect, click OK, and click on the Favorite Targets to see more details about it. Here we only have one IP address configured on this Windows server, so only one target shows up. Right-clicking on Computer, going to Manage, we will open up Disk Management. Here we see that we do have a new disk that is available to us. Please make note to verify that you have the correct disk before clicking anything about initialization or formatting. If this volume was accidentally mapped from a VMware ESXi host, this could be very detrimental to your environment. In this case, we see a different size than the volume that we mapped on our VMware ESXi host. So we're okay. We can click OK to this to initialize the disk. There you have it. We've mapped a LUN using our JetStor 826iXD, both on ESXi 6.5 and Windows Server. Thank you, and check in again for our next video.